Okay, let's set the stage for the week ahead with trader Dan Stecich from Athena Advisors. Welcome home volatility. Well, that was sure the message in the week that was. What are we in store for this week, Dan?
Well, you know what? This will be an interesting week because they had a bunch of up and down moves. We haven't seen much volatility in the market. And this week we have a lot of economic data. I'm a fundamental trader. I like to look at what's going on in the economy, and we're going to get a whole lot of it. We have the ISM figures, both manufacturing and non-manufacturing, and Friday we have employment. So look at these closely. That's what's going to ultimately drive this market.
Dan, I want to ask you quickly about Yahoo. You got an activist investor pressing that company to merge with AOL. Are these two sort of is this a blending of fading giants, and does it equal a good investment?
Well, that's the question right now. If you look at both of those stocks independently, their trajectory has been the same. They've just been kind of running in place. And the hope is that the two combined can find some cost savings and maybe some synergies that they wouldn't have otherwise. So it could be. I'm going to wait this thing out for a while just to see how they trade and what their plans are once they do merge, if it in fact happens.
Last Thursday, we had a big drop in the market. A lot of people were wringing their hands, sort of the Cassandra capitulation crowd. Is this a correction? I mean, there's a lot of overreaction to what happened.
Now, it's ridiculous to think it's a correction. It may be a correction, but it turned out it wasn't. Anytime you have a 1.5% drop in the market, the chicken littles come out and they start saying how bad it is. Again, let's see what happens over time. One day of trading doesn't mean anything. And ask yourself, am I a trader or am I an investor? If you're a trader, play the trades like that. If you're an investor, sit tight until the fundamentals change.
All right, that's probably a good point this week because we're probably expecting, as you were saying, a little bit more volatility ahead.
Right, right.
All right, Dan Stecich, thanks so much.
You're very welcome. Glad to be here.